enduring basically momentarily that you're looking for the Dogelon destroys mint piece kind of worthed out, or finding the constraint of the Elon mint piece that's somewhat lengthy in every practical sense worth measure, can be significant for you. Our Dogelon harms explanation relies on an enormous especially unambiguous assessment and past execution of the Dogelon harms cache. Here we will fundamentally attempt to sort of look at the limit of Dogelon mutilates Elon for the going with 10 years Dogelon harms cache as one of the most esteemed picture monetary standards looking out as data fundamentally accumulated from the undertaking site the Dogelon harms Elon as a canine-themed picture cache considering Dogecoin Doge and Tesla President Elon Musk. The Elon coin has seen clearing movement in 2021. The crypto specialists explicitly perceive that Dogelon ruins truly has commonly more space for progress, watching out considering its Musk association. This coin can truly see a huge flood in the approaching months. The Elon project depended upon the Ethereum blockchain using the ERC20 agent truly standard as exhibited by their tokenomics framework, a truly significant piece of the especially key pile of Elon by and large was genuinely talented to Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin, as the consistency of Elon Musk's harms undertaking will make this picture coin can equivalently face an expense flood. The Elon social class areas of strength for looks, truly offers blazing, generally help for the genuinely token, as we can truly see that the crypto monetary partners all things considered, of raised necessities of the Dogelon destroys project. The Dogelon destroys project declares to especially be a fork of Dogecoin anyway. There explicitly is close to no affirmation to truly help this case. It truly has basically a lot higher by and large ludicrous stock and works strikingly as opposed to Doge, as per some crypto arranged specialists. Coin consuming is generally common in the mid-month of 2022 by prudence of an unforeseen expense increase in 2021. The very focal cash-related partners of Dogelon harms coin have made a tremendous choice in 2022. All picture coins in every way that really matters are showing genuinely bad new advancement, as exhibited by the assessment of late month-to-month data. The Elon coin basically is at this point showing risk illustrating sections the coin could areas of strength for pretty for have, regardless it doesn't truly emit an impression of being an important asset in present. All things considered second, if you really need a few extraordinary benefits with this coin, you truly need to remain by broadened length, as we in a real sense have explored the expenses of Dogelon destroys tokens. For the extremely lengthy, it has a very exceptional future. Dogelon mutilates truly worth assumption 2022, like other cryptos Dogelon mutilates especially is correspondingly contradicting an obliteration in 2022 as per our particular examination in 2022. The expense of Dogelon harms explicitly should generally show up essentially sort of worth of 0.000000297 before long. The Elon coin expenses can truly show up at a biggest level of 0.000000595. Expecting that the unending improvement happen in 2022, the traditional trading cost of Dogelon coin can basically be around 0.000000363, expecting there for the most part is any unfathomable bull. Basically run the Elon coin cost could climb basically higher than our Dogelon cost, sort of surmise. Elon coin all things considered worth notion. 2023 Elon coin generally has shocking pretty potential. Accepting you will all things considered hold it to the extent that this would in every practical sense be possible, as shown by our Elon coin truly statement. It can especially show up at a biggest especially worth degree of 0.000000968 by 2023. At any rate, the standard expense of Dogelon harms coin can explicitly be around 0.000000826. Moreover, expecting there is any horrible model, the base expense of the Dogelon mutilates coin sort of token can for the most part be down up to 0.000000634 in the going with bull rally. The expenses of Elon coin could flood kind of more than our Elon coin cost out. Dogelon harms coin worth measure 2025. In the year 2025 Elon coin can especially hit another impeccable kind of high. The Dogelon harms cost is gauged to all things considered show up at the most unimportant level of 0.000000313 out of 2025. As per our divulgences, the Dogelon destroys cost could explicitly show up at a buy and the Dogelon harms the Elon coin cost, for the most part is overviewed to show up fundamentally possible level of 0.0000939 out of 2030. As per our Dogelon cost truly surmise the Elon coin cost could sort of show up at a biggest possible level of 0.00011 by the average trading cost of Dogelon harms coin can in every practical sense be around 0.0000795. A lovely bull rally could especially construct the expenses of Dogelon coin, basically a lot higher than our sort of lengthy Dogelon. In a real sense statement, Dogelon damage is truly worth generally surmise 2040 for a superfluously extended cost check. A basic explicit evaluation by and large is urgent this year, can be a strong year for the cryptos, as many coins will generally make one more arrangement of encounters. Perhaps the truly normal expense of the Dogelon coin will move to around 269 by 2040. In any case, the year can end with a buy and in every practical sense huge insane expense of 351, expecting rhythmic movement improvement, for the most part happen, if there truly is any horrendous event in 2030. The Dogelon imperfections can end this year, with a base especially worth degree of 198 Dogelon mutilates coin certainly worth measure 2050 Dogelon harms Elon coin, generally has surprising in every practical sense potential accepting you will generally hold it to the extent that this would be possible. The year 2050 can end with a run-of-the-mill cost of 2945, while the base in every way that really matters worth of Elon coin can generally be around 1623 in every practical sense close by Dogelon harms coin different cryptos can generally hit their new all-time, commonly high this year. The sort of the best expense should trade around 2587, enduring that there basically is any bull rally in 2050 the expenses of Elon coin could truly take off and in a real sense beat our genuinely extensive Dogelon cost figure. Sort of as Dogelon harms a sharp hypothesis you can contemplate setting assets into Dogelon harms if you truly are looking for a coin to truly hold an expanded length. The Dogelon ruins in every way that really matters are projected to hit its electrifying high in 2022. Enduring that everything goes fine in like manner it isn't truly easy to expect any crypto cost with 100 precision, as they for the most part are amazingly unconventional by their method for managing acting. After a gigantic assessment we can say that Elon coin's worth, should all things considered continue to grow by, and by there is for each situation a bet to crypto theories, as picked